Hey, this is Mateo with YouTube Creator AI, and I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail. So come to the Thumbnail Studio, and we have a couple options here. So you can put in any keyword or topic. So let's start with this, my Fortnite gameplay stream. And it's a two-step process. So what it's going to do first is it's going to create the prompt for us, give us the overall concept. So if you do want to create your own thumbnail, you have an idea of what it should look like and what the captions should be. The reason it does this is it does have an AI art generator, and we know how difficult it is sometimes to get the prompt right for an image. So our tool kind of does this for us. So it gives us a visual concept. So let's save this. These are some captions that we can add to the thumbnail. And then it gives us some options to do a pop art, modern comic, anime, hyper real. So let's go ahead and do a hyper real first. So it's going to go ahead and do the prompt. It's already built in here, and we're going to generate the thumbnail. You don't have to use this AI one, but it gives you an option here, and then we can build off of this or build our own here. So I don't play Fortnite, so anybody watching this video can tell me if this is a great thumbnail. So we can do a couple things. We have our captions, so we can change what these captions say. Let's do OG Chaos. We can change the styling, so if we want to change the color to kind of match that maybe banana here, we can do that. We can move this around. So here is the thumbnail editor. We can do a couple things. Since this is a stream, let's go ahead and add our own picture to it. So let's use this as the background. And let's go ahead and I'm going to upload. I have a picture that I took earlier, so I'm going to upload that. So we don't really want that to take up our whole image here, okay? So what I'm going to do is actually remove that, and let's go ahead and remove the background first. So we can come to this tool and go ahead and put in my picture here. And this will just click up, so you can do background remover. It's going to pop up here. It's going to remove the background, and let's go ahead and download this. I'm just going to do the free version here. So now we can go to upload selfie logo. We have this background removed. Now we have this here. It's kind of small, but we can go ahead and scale it, make it larger here. So if we want to add it to the thumbnail, we can go ahead and do some editing. Let's go ahead and make it this modern image, and let's go ahead and scale this a little bit larger. All right, so we have our thumb. We can move this a little bit over this way so it has this view, and now we have our text here. If we want to move this up, this would probably be a good spot for it. If we want to change the font, that might be a little bit better font, so let's move this here. And then if you want to add another overlay, or a logo, anything like that, if you want to change the color, the outline, if you want to add a background box to that there. So you have some options here. If you don't like this background and you want to replace it with your own, you can do that as well here. So this is a pretty good thumbnail for a YouTube video. So let's download that one. So let's try another one. I'm going to be creating a video about this video. So let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and do a screenshot of my tool here. So let's do a screenshot. Okay. And let's save this. I'm just going to save this. Now let's, instead of doing this one, let's go ahead and replace my background with my screenshot. So now this can be like my tool, me making my tool with my tool here. And if I want to change this caption, let's say I don't like that caption here, I can do, thumbnails thumbnails, something like that. I don't know. I can mess with what I want to put here. Okay, so or we can just have this as none, and this would be a good thumbnail as well. So if you want to add your own background, and you can come over here if you want to add another overlay here. Let's do this. I have my logo here. Actually, let's do this round one here if I want to add that. So I can add this. Now this is my overlay number 2, and I can make that a little bit smaller. And if I want to move that up over here as well. So we have some options there. Also, if we want to center it, flip it, you know, if we want to change the font. So you can add a couple overlays. I'm going to remove this for now because I think it's fine just as is. So come to YouTube Creator AI. The first step you're going to do is you're going to come and put in your studio topic, get the visual concept, some ideas here, and then you can create your, you know, an AI art image first. And then you can add your own overlays to it. You can replace your own background here, and then we have some simple text editing options for you, so you can make this look professional. So check it out. Make your own thumbnails, simple and easy here in the Thumbnail Studio. It's totally free. If you have any trouble, have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Let's download this. Awesome.